Okay, so in the last video, we talked about what is HTML and we talked about how the web works. And in this video, we will be installing the required softwares and we will be writing a hello world code or program in HTML. So let's start, and you need to start by going on your browser and searching for VS Code on Google. Okay, and as you search, you will get the first link as code.visualstudio.com. This one. Okay, you need to open this. And as soon as it's open, you need to download it for your operating system. So you can see it is for all the operating systems. So you can download it and you can install it. It is very easy to install, so I will be not covering in this video, but if you want to still see how to install it, I will give a link to another video which I made on my other channel to install VS Code. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to make a folder on your machine. So I will go to some this folder where okay, let's make a folder here which is called tutorial, and what I will do, I will make tut1 folder for because it's tutorial 1 for that, and I will right click and open in VS Code. If you don't see this option, just make sure that while installing you checked all the 4 boxes that comes on the screen while on the installer, so you will get that. So open with VS Code, or you can open it manually by first opening VS Code and then opening that. So both the way will work. So you need to we have installed the required software. Now I just wanted to show you about VS Code, how to set it up. So just wait for it to open, and I'll close this folder. I will minimize this, and it's opening. I will make it full screen, and if you get something this, so just yes, I trust the author. Okay, and we are ready. Okay, so you can see so you can see our folder is open here, tut1, and first of all let me show you some things that you need to do before starting to code in this. So go to this extension tab, which will look something like this. Okay, this one. Okay, this is extensions, where you will get some add-ons. Okay, what you need to do, you need to search here for some of the extensions which are like very good for your development. So first of all, you need to search for live server, something like this, live server. It is this one, live server by the Redwick Day. You need to install it. Install this. I have already installed, so I will not install. Okay, this was the first one. Then the second one I would say is which I love is auto rename. Okay, just a second. Rename. I think this one. Yeah, auto rename tag, this one. So you can install this. This is a very great extension and I love it very much. You can also install this one, auto close tag, but it is like not needed right now because VS Code has got this functionality inbuilt. And this was all, and I want to tell you about this theme. You will see something different, like my VS Code will look something different from yours. So I've just installed a theme called I think winter is coming. I don't know. Winter is, yeah, this one. Winter is coming theme by John Papa, and I love it very much. So I have installed this one. You can also install it if you love this theme, or there are many themes available. Okay. Now you will go back to this one. So you will get this file menu, and you will create a new file. So this one, this option. Okay. You need to click on this, and you will name it index.html. okay, because we are learning HTML, so the file extension will be HTML. Okay, and this is our file created. Okay, and what I will do, I will type Control+ to increase the font size a little bit more. Yeah, this is good. And you need to type exclamation mark here. Now exclamation mark, if you don't know, it will be typed by shift, holding down the shift key and pressing 1. So this will, you will get this. And you need to press enter. Okay, you can see something here, emit abbreviation. So this is like an autocomplete thing for HTML and some other language. So you need to press enter, and you will see some code on your screen. Okay, I will minimize this, or you can also press Ctrl B to minimize it. Okay, like this, and you can see some code has already been generated. Now I will explain you this code. What does this mean? So let's start with the first line, doc type HTML. This means that this is telling the browser that this is an HTML5 document, and so that the browser can render it that way, and then HTML tag is opening. So now I wanted to first tell you what is the syntax of HTML. Okay, this is very important. So let me, so see the syntax. What is the syntax? So as I told, HTML is a markup language, so it is written in the form of tags. Okay, so you are just writing some content, and you are putting that content in some kind of tags which are telling how that content will look, or where, like, some properties for that content. So what you need to do, you need to press like shift and then the angle bracket, or you can say the less than sign and then the greater than sign. Okay, what you see here is an empty HTML tag. Now in the between of this, where my cursor is, you need to type a name of the tag. So for example, a tag is P standing for paragraph. Okay, so this is the paragraph tag. So you have opened a paragraph tag, and whatever you type between this is will be considered as a paragraph, and the browser will take that as a paragraph and show it to you in the screen. Okay, then you need to close it, because every HTML tag which start needs to be closed. So again, you need to put this sign. Okay, then you need to put the divide sign, this one, slash, forward slash, and then P, and then this. So it auto completed. That's why I couldn't show you typing it. So it is something like this. So this is the opening tag of paragraph. This is the closing tag of paragraph. Anything written between this will be considered as a paragraph. Now I will cut this all. I don't want this right now. And you can see in the body. Okay, this is the body tag here. As you can see, in the body tag is the tag which shows up. Let me show you this all content which you can see on the screen, like this all content. Okay, this all is the body of that screen. Okay, now in the body tag I will put a P tag, paragraph tag, and I will say this this is a paragraph. Okay, this is a paragraph. I will save it, Control S to save. And what you need to do, you need to right click on this file anywhere, empty space. Okay, and you will get an option, open with live server. You can click on that and just wait for a few minutes, and you can see it is saying server started port 500, and it will open this file for you. Okay, I will copy the URL. I will close this one because I have already a window open for that. Okay, one browser I have already opened, so I don't want the second one. So this is what is showed. Okay, this is like a server which is set up on your local machine, so that you can see your things and your code, what is your code doing easily. Okay, now I will do it like this so that you can see the code as well as it. And what is the feature of live server extension is that as soon as you make changes, you don't need to come and reload here. Okay, it will get reloaded automatically. So let me show you my this was the first HTML tag you learned. Then there is you can see head tag. Head tag is all the content that you see on this tab. This one, as you can see that here document is written, and here also it is coming document. Okay, so this is the title here, and these are some meta tags. These are not very important right now, and we will see them later outside. Okay, then in the body tag we can also put any tag. So now let's come to the another tag which we have. So that is H1. H1 standing there, H stands for the heading and 1 stands for the largest heading. Okay, so H1 is the largest heading in HTML. So if you type hello and save it, you can see this heading. Okay, and just like that we have an H2 which is quite smaller and something like that. So if I save it, you can see a smaller heading. Okay, so this is heading, and it will go all up to H6. So H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6. The maximum is H6. So if I type H6 here, so you can see it is very small. If I zoom in, okay, you can see this is the one. Okay, so this was all for this heading and paragraph. So we have got to know about or we can say some more HTML tags, which is first is the paragraph tag and some are the heading tags. 6 heading tags, H1 to H6. Okay, all the heading tags. Okay, so I hope you were able to understand all this, and if you have any doubt, you can put in the comment box, and please like the video. If you are loving this course, please subscribe my channel, and thank you very much for watching.